how to make slime at home. First, you need a glue. I'm gonna show you how to use the glue. But first, I want this activator to green, so I'm putting a little color. If you want home, I made this at home, so I'm gonna show you the recipe at next. And I'm gonna pull out the glue. Take out, and here's the glue. Okay, and you gotta dip it. And then the third time I'm gonna show you what and I dip it and I take it out there. It is not enough, so I'm making it there. And and I'm gonna post how to make activator at home. And we gotta mix it well. I'm gonna show you why I mix it well and add a little of activator. And if you had the glue, first you can add a color and it's mixer, and you gotta dip it in the activator. Okay, and okay guys, look at it. It's taking me a long while, so I just did the wrong thing. So but I have here what I made it later, and you gotta mix it. And here I mixed it the wrong way, but this I made it. And you gotta add a little oil. Okay, if it's sick like me, but I'm adding it, just use a little activator. Look at it. And it's gonna make it soft into the SMR slime. That's it. It's a little bit. But if not works for you, I'm gonna show you another tutorial. This is I wronged the mix way, but it can work for you. Bye. And add a little decoration. I'm gonna add a little decoration, and I'm gonna show you. And ta-da! SMR. But it cannot work for you. Look at it. It failed. But the activator worked for me. But I do it the wrong way. Okay, what should I add to the slime to make it slime? Bye, and comment down below to tell me what should I do.